Achieving SDG 7 requires more collaboration, support and funding for clean cooking solutions. To tackle this challenge, the Netherlands Enterprise Agency has designed an entrepreneurship ecosystem approach. In this approach, we use public funding to reduce risks, close the affordability gap, and make investments in the sector more attractive, resulting in various activities to attract private finance into the market and empower local entrepreneurs. These include providing incentives and subsidies, tackling high interest rates and transaction costs, and supporting the development and implementation of national policies and regulations. In our entrepreneurship ecosystem approach, we focus on solving bottlenecks that prevent scaling and contribute to the growth of the clean cooking sector in a sustainable manner. Would you like to know more about the role of the Netherlands Enterprise Agency in the clean cooking sector? Visit english.rvo.nl/SEE-CC.